Zoom in, zoom out. Move the zoom bar to the right to zoom in. Move it to the left to zoom out. Adjust the zoom level to the size that is easiest for you to see. Screen navigation. Press and hold the screen for about 1 second to switch to full screen mode. Move your finger across the screen to explore different areas. Press the home button to return to the center. Press the back button to return to the previous screen. Screen pause. If the screen is not touched for a while, the control interface will turn off. Press the play button to turn the screen back on. Display settings. Press the display button to adjust brightness. Select contrast to adjust image contrast. Color inversion is turned off by default and can be enabled if needed. Select a color filter to use different color modes. Choose the color setting that provides the best visibility for you. Lock. Press and hold the lock button for about 1 second to lock the controls. Press the unlock button to resume operation. Object recognition. Press the detect button to describe the scene in front of you.
Start object recognition. A cream-colored electric kettle with a black handle and a gooseneck spout is placed on a gray, flat surface against a white wall.
This feature requires an internet connection. Text recognition. Point at a book or screen and press the read button.
Calico EyeCane is an advanced augmented reality wearable designed to support individuals with low vision, particularly those affected by retinal diseases such as age-related macular degeneration.
Press pause to temporarily stop reading. Press stop to end the function. Voice recognition. Press the mic button. When you hear a beep, speak your command.
Color filter on. Zoom out.
Refer to the user manual for supported commands. Mode settings. 4 modes are available. Select the mode that best suits your environment. Settings for each mode are saved automatically. Settings.
Settings.
You can change the language in the settings menu. You can check the current version in App Info. For more detailed instructions, please refer to the user manual.